Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to spy on competitor bloggers so you can get paid sponsorship opportunities. So with sponsorships, if you don't know, brands pay you to feature them on your blog. There's lots of different ways that you can do sponsorships, and I talk about this more in my course, Sponsored Blogging for Newbies. You can find the link in the description box below. But basically, you work with brands and you can feature them on your site. So you can write a review, write a blog post about the brand, feature them in your newsletter, sponsor a giveaway, lots of different things that you can do there. So let's dive in and I'll show you how you can spy on your competitors to find sponsorship opportunities really fast. Okay, so it all starts with Pinterest. So this is one of the many ways I find leads for sponsorships. What I'll usually do is from Pinterest, I will find a blogger that I know. So we will take a look at Michelle from Making Sense of Sense. She's a pretty big blogger in the personal finance space. Okay, so I'll start with a big blogger like this, and really simple, I'll just take a look and see who they are following. Okay, so I'll just go down and see who they're following. And I'll just pick a follower. So we'll look at Fantabulosity. And it looks like that this is a pretty big blog. They have a lot of followers on Pinterest. So I'm going to go check out their site. Okay, so we'll wait for that to load. In addition to going to their site, and what you'll see me do is I'll just go to the search bar and search for sponsored post. Really simple, and any posts that fit that search criteria will come up. You can also go right to Google, and what I'll usually do is put in the blogger website URL, Fantabulosity. So I'll do this. I'll do fantabulosity.com, and then I'll do sponsored posts, and I'll search this way. And then what it'll do is display the results, and from here I'll try to see if I can find some sponsored posts. And you can see here, this is a sponsored post with Special K. So I'll click this to take a look at this post, but right away I know that Special K is a sponsor. So with that information, I can cold pitch Special K and see if they would like to be featured on my blog. And that's really all there is to it. So I'll go through and look at a couple pages of results and see if I can find more sponsored posts like that. And on the site, what I mentioned earlier is I'll just go to the search bar and I'll type in sponsored post. I'll do either of these methods or both. And this is a really neat way to find blog sponsors. Just like this. So you can see this one is sponsored by Starbucks, so I would also cold pitch Starbucks. And you can just go through and find all the sponsored posts. This one is by Tide. So you can see in just a few minutes we've already found 3 sponsors. So I'll go through and do this for multiple blogs. And I really like to do it this way because although it is a cold lead, I like to think that it's warmed up a bit because I know that they are blogger friendly. These brands have been featured on other blogs and they are more than likely paying to have these blog sponsorships, which means that they're more warmed up to the idea of working with bloggers and influencers. So this is one of the tactics that I use to spy on competitors to find blog sponsorship brands. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Again, I have some more information about the course Sponsored Blogging for Newbies if you want to learn more about it and enroll as a student so you can learn all the tactics I use to book sponsors for my blogs. That's it. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you like to see more content like this and subscribe. Bye-bye.